One of the most important aspects of API security is the option to control the number of times an API can be called in a time interval. An API that doesn't have this type of control can be easily put down by a hacker attack. It's very easy to use it too and send millions of requests to your API at once, overflowing your backend and making your service unavailable. But it's not only a hacker attack that can cause the problem, it can be a program that was bad developed and is calling the API more times than necessary. I've seen this happening many times, but we can avoid this situation with just one line of code. In our first example, we are using the rate limit policy to specify that our API will only accept a maximum of 3 calls per second. Any attempt to go over that limit will be blocked. In our second example, we went even further. We used the rate limit by key policy to control the maximum number of requests allowed by IP address, so that any IP address is allowed to send only 3 requests per second. Anything more than that will be blocked. Notice that the first and the second situations are very different. In our first example, we establish a single counter to everyone. In our second example, every IP has its own counter. Use this policy to make your API even more secure. You are safe than sorry. And that's all for today. Till next time.